Welcome back to Auto Octane. Today, we have something truly special, one of the most anticipated returns in the automotive world. After years of speculation, Honda has finally brought back the legendary S2000 for 2025, and it's everything enthusiasts have been waiting for. The original S2000 left an undeniable mark on the sports car world with its high-revving VTEC engine, lightweight chassis, and razor-sharp handling. The 2025 model continues that legacy but brings modern performance, technology, and design to the table. Under the hood, Honda has equipped the new S2000 with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, derived from the Civic Type R, but tuned specifically for this roadster. It delivers an exhilarating 320 horsepower and revs all the way to 8,000 RPM, keeping that high-revving spirit alive. And yes, enthusiasts can breathe a sigh of relief. Honda is offering a 6-speed manual transmission alongside an optional dual-clutch automatic. In terms of design, Honda has perfectly blended nostalgia with modern aesthetics. The long hood and short rear deck pay homage to the original, while sleek LED headlights, a more aggressive stance, and aerodynamic enhancements make it clear that this is a 2025 model. The body is crafted using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber elements, keeping weight down and performance up. The interior has also seen a massive upgrade, with a digital driver's display, Alcantara-trimmed sport seats, and a minimalist yet driver-focused cockpit. Honda has integrated its latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring modern convenience without compromising the raw driving experience. Performance-wise, the new S2000 isn't just about straight-line speed. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension with adaptive dampers, giving drivers the ability to switch between comfort and track-ready stiffness. A limited slip differential, upgraded Brembo brakes, and a perfect 50/50 weight distribution ensure that this roadster remains a pure driver's machine. So, who is this car for? It's for the purists, the ones who crave an engaging, lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports car. In a world dominated by EVs and crossovers, the S2000 is a breath of fresh air for enthusiasts who still appreciate the thrill of a naturally connected driving experience. With pricing expected to start around $55,000, the new S2000 is positioned to compete with cars like the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, and even the Porsche 718 Boxster. But with its legendary nameplate and Honda's reputation for reliability, it could be the ultimate choice for drivers who want raw performance with everyday usability. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda S2000. What do you think? Is this the rebirth of an icon, or does it fall short of expectations? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more high-octane content. Thanks for watching Auto Octane, and we'll see you in the next one.